You are a professional graphic designer and you need a web page that can serve as a profile for you, or as a portfolio through which people can know more about you, and about what you do, but you don't have enough funds to host a website. Make sure you watch this tutorial to the end.
How are you doing? My name is Babatunde James. Alright, the tutorial we have today is about how to create a simple web page for yourself. You understand, as a professional, or maybe you just want to do it, you just want to do it for a particular purpose. Do you understand? So this tutorial is all about how you can create it freely. Do you understand? Without having to pay for hosting, pay for domain. How to create that particular web page for yourself, for free, totally for free. Do you understand? That's what we want to do now. So the name of this site that I will be using is card.co. As you can see it in the address bar here, card.co. So that's the name of the site that we'll be using to create the particular web page. You understand? So I want you guys to follow me and drop your comments after you finish watching this video. You understand? So let's move. So we have two options here. Initially, I've registered my account. Do you understand? Before you can use this particular website, you know, almost all websites you have to register using your Gmail account. Do you understand? I've done that already. That's why I can be able to see this. Do you understand? So now the next thing is to start. It's either I open my dashboard or I choose a starting point, or the meaning of choose a starting point is that I should choose a template to start with. Do you understand? So I'm going to choose a starting point. So I'm going to choose a starting point. All right, this is it. We have different type of website that you can create, or web page. Let me say web page that you can create here. We have the profile. This profile is just for you to display your picture, little details about you. Do you understand? And your social media handle. Do you understand? So you can just put this as link in my bio. You can just drop the link on your bio, maybe Instagram, Facebook, like that, Twitter, so that if people click it, they can just move to other social media in which you register. They can know more about you, like your details, your bio. You understand? Now the landing page is for selling. Do you understand? Or for introducing new product. Maybe you have a new course, maybe you have a new product that you want to introduce to people. You can actually sell it using landing page. Do you understand? So these are landing pages. And for portfolio, for form is for collecting data. Do you understand? Collecting data of your people you want to create lead or generate leads. So you can just create form from here, but all the form feature are pro version, so you can actually design it from scratch. Do you understand? No need of using template if you know that it's pro version and you are not ready to pay for it. Do you understand? And we have the portfolio. The portfolio is just used mainly to showcase your work. Do you understand? If you are being if the employer asks you that, okay, drop your CV and portfolio, you can just have something to present. Do you understand? So that's the work of a portfolio. So these are a sample template of a portfolio that you can actually do, that you can actually create. Do you understand? So, and you have different sections. This is just like a profile that have different sections. So let's check one here. Let's check. All right, these okay. Let me just click on the preview. All right, these different sections. Do you understand? Different sections. You want to know what I do about my work, just click it here. Can you see it? This is what I do. I create website, I do this, I do that. And the contact, the team. Maybe you have different team in your branch, so you can actually do it here. Just put the picture and details about them. And the contact us. This will be your social media handle, how to contact you, and details about how to contact you, your email. You understand? So let's check another template. looking for a better one. So this is a pro. Looking for a pro. Alright. About contact. Do you understand now? Now let's go back and just pick a template and work around it. Do you understand? So let's pick this. Firstly, let's check the demo. So we are going to pick that and work around it. This is a card. Now this is our pack. These details about our pack. Do you understand? This get in touch, like to contact our pack. So these are the stuff, the email, the phone number, social media handles, and other stuff like that about our pack. So this is it. To contact our pack, this is email. Can you see? So let's choose this template to design what you want to do. Now we are choosing this. Alright. Okay. Now this is where you will have to edit your page. Do you understand? You can actually have other sections too. Do you get? So I will do that in our next tutorial. So but this one, these are different sections that you can add. Home, contact. Do you understand? Now this responsibility and responsiveness, these are start over, publish, like that. So if you want to add some function, audio, video, gallery, table, divider, like that, you can add them. Do you understand? Now this is our pack. Do you understand? So we just edit the name. We type the name, new name here. Let's say James Champion. And we want to use the power. Just place my now here, get in touch, contact. Now for the image, just click here for the image. This is the image I want to use. Change the color. Just change the color here. Okay, now my email, just type so phone number, social media. So these are the social media handles. Alright, and you have the TikTok. You put the domain name of your TikTok here and TikTok here. Do you understand? The Instagram, the same thing. So if you click here, there are lots of them. We have Instagram, you input the domain name, you input the domain name there, you see URL, and Twitter, like that, YouTube. If you want to add another one, just click it here, add another one, now click on it. Alright, so you have to change the icon. There are a lot of icons. Choose from the icon. Maybe you want to add your email or any other stuff, you can actually add them in. There are a lot of icons that represent it. So that's it, and that's that about that, I guess. Alright, the get in touch button, the label is get in touch. You can actually change the name, arrow, contact. So the URL is contact. Do you understand? So we just input the stuff that you actually want to display. Do you understand? So we already have the contact stuff here, the contact page here. The contact page is here already. So so if we preview it, let's preview it. Now we have a page. Now I have a page now, so we can actually save it. You can save it or publish it. So just say profile. You understand? So just demo profile. That's the description. So you can add any description there. So we will publish it. So you can click here and go to my details, anything that I put here. You can go to my Instagram from here, you can add Facebook, you can add anything, you can go to any area from here. Do you understand? So, and that's that about that. We have launched it. If you want to visit the website, you just type profile, because the name of the website is profile.card. Do you understand? .card.co. You can actually visit the website here. You will see it on your phone. You can also see it there also. So as I hope I've had a value to you now. I've added value to you. I want you guys to drop comment. You understand? But before I wrap this up, I want to do something. I want to tell you that you can actually create different website with different pages here too. You understand? With different sections, you can create it. So you can create websites from scratch too. Do you understand? You can create new sites from scratch. So if you want to create new sites from scratch and you don't want to use template, you just click here. You don't want to use any template, you just want to create it from scratch, you just click here. Do you understand? Now you start dragging sections, you add container. If you know how to use drag and drop very well, you can create anything possible here. Do you understand? So inside here, maybe you want to drop leads, you want to drop tests, or anything. Just put test, drag it inside. Like that. So I am not going to create the whole stuff from scratch here, but if you have the idea of drag and drop, you can actually do it. And later, maybe our next video, I will explain better on how to use drag and drop, create an exciting website on card. Do you understand? So I will drop the link of this particular website. I will drop it there so that you guys can practice also. Do you understand? So no need of complaining that okay, I don't have money to host a page, I don't have money to host my portfolio again. Now you can do it freely. Do you understand? And after this tutorial, I want you guys to practice it. If you don't understand anything, just message me. Do you understand? Send me an email. I will drop my email address in the description. So send me an email also. You understand? And if you have any question or you want something that you want us to do a tutorial about, what you don't understand in the aspect of digital skills or tech, you can actually hit me up. You understand? Send me a message and I will do a video concerning it. Thank you very much. Make sure you subscribe, please, and click on the notification button so that whenever we drop any video, you will be notified, so that you will not miss any of our videos. Do you understand? Please and please subscribe, like this video, drop your comment. Don't just watch and leave. Please subscribe, like, watch and comment. Thank you very much.